Uh, Mid last year, Munich Re, one of the largest insurers in Europe, basically gave us an award for having one of the lowest warranty claim rates within the industry over a 20-year period, which we pride ourselves on. It's been one of our strong focuses over the last 4 or 5 years to not expand, but to focus more on quality, performance and reliability. And that sort of led into one of our strong motivations in heading towards VDE certification. Sorry, jumped a bit here. So we're also quite proud of making top performer in DNVGL. And just to give you a synapse of some of the testing we do, we've always prided ourselves on extensive testing and raising beyond those bar. So, you know, most of our tests are conducted at a higher level than the IEC standard. So, you know, the PID testing is all above IEC standard. And with that higher testing, we went and formulated our VDE, which gives us the premise of higher testing. So we're one of few panel brands globally to carry VDE. And what VDE basically in a nutshell is a third-party auditing scheme that regularly monitors our factories and our production and our test results to ensure that the product we manufacture, the product on the data sheet is equal. So, you know, instead of just the standard IEC test, which is a one-off test, the VDE is an ongoing life cycle test. So you can be assured, irrespective of the model you're receiving from Suntech, that panel you're receiving is as per data sheet. Additional to that, we're also tested for a higher pass-fail rate for degradation, also more load testing, more robustness in termination tests. So effectively, we're routinely audited in regards to VDE. And I believe it's a quarterly check on all our sites. And if we don't pass, effectively, we do lose our VDE. So that VDE and that high reliability testing extends to our BOM, our balance of materials. So it's not just in the cell and the module itself, but it's in, you know, whether it's the backing sheet or the terminals or the glass or what have you. So it does assure that we are offering high materials within our panels, and our tolerance towards what's acceptable and what is IEC standard varies. So obviously here we've got a line of what's accepted within the industry, but what's accepted within a Suntech definition is quite higher in regards to what's acceptable on a back sheet, for example. We've extended that to our junction boxes and a rating of IP68. So we have what we call an IEC pass. We also have what we call Suntech Quality Pass within our organisation, which strives for higher durability. So from our perspective, reducing warranty, reducing liability leads to a more profitable business. So we like to see low failures, we like to see low warranty claims, because we do operate in a low margin business. So we're assuring ourselves in the future with less liability by delivering as high quality product as we can into the Australian market. Just a little snapshot of some of the testing we undertake internally. We do have a very large PV lab in China. It is recognised and certified by the leading testing authorities globally, such as UL and VDE. And we actually do conduct tests not only on our products, IEC tests on our products, but we also test other manufacturers' products, and it's a highly recognised and accredited laboratory. So having a strong laboratory footprint at our factory allows us to do, you know, high testing and high capabilities in ensuring we deliver quality product. Australian background and commitment. So we're quite proud of our Australian story. We think it's unique from a Chinese manufacturing perspective. Both Dr. Shi and Martin Green, the founders of Suntech, or founding fathers, are no longer with the company, but effectively their experience and their influence, especially within the University of New South Wales, is a unique story, and we tell with pride. To this day, we're still funding the UNSW, and we do run scholarship programs with the UNSW, so we see ourselves giving back to the Australian market. The head office in Australia is in Sydney. We were set up in 2007, and we've had a continuous footprint here in the Australian market. We have local warranty support, local engineering support, sales and marketing support, local finance. Mentioned the scholarship programs and the continued funding. So we've invested over 30 million US in programs with the UNSW, Monash University and the Australian National University. We also have a scholarship program and testing lab set up at the UNSW in financial support. Our Australian commitment extends in regards to our local marketing. So we devised our own marketing outside of China to focus more on the Australian market, to have a more Australian feel, and to reach the Australian consumer. Our website too reflects that. It's a more Western feel as opposed to what, you know, some of our partners can say that it's sort of a Chinese marketing aspect is very different to a Western aspect. So it's a local team building that. We offer technical support to the industry, to installers, whether it's pre-feasibility, CAD drawings, energy analysis. There's some examples of what we've done for the industry, 3D CAD modelling or large scale. We've done it all. So we've got quite a sophisticated team of engineers that can help and assist you, and we do that for all our partners. Local warranty support, so Monday to Friday, whether it's done online or via the phone, we've got a local team in Sydney that can help you. It is an easy warranty process, and it's a very quick turnaround time. Mind you, our warranties are quite low, but it can be speedy. So thanks. Thanks for the opportunity, guys. I'm happy to address any questions, and you know, thank you, Tim, and thank you.